What's this called, Bob? We are playing
Fidget trading.
fidget trading. Here's my. Here, your eyes are like this, like one like here a little bit on the side and one like here on this side. Go, go. Play still a little bit. And daddy take
Trade
the.
hair ties.
My mom is dressing up now. Let's stop now. Oh my God, here are my stuff.
Mom is already dressed up now.
Tie. Yeah, we're using these though.
Okay, me first. Croaky. Give me.
Pochenko. Bro, don't do it like that.
No.
It will like make it like this, then the TV will be like this. So we're playing.
Ano ba yan, Nika? Pinag-video mo pa ako?
We'll do it hard mode. Daddy,
Okay.
I'm making a
Wait,
video.
I'm just looking at the camera. Okay. Oh. Oh, wait. Get it.
Lisa, ayusin mo na yung
This
higaan
one.
mo. Para mamaya, hihiga na lang. Pinagpag nyo na ba yung higaan nyo? O, ipagpag nyo na yan.
We're playing.
Sige na, pagpag na yan.
Commercial break.
Halika.
We just fixed our bed, okay? So,
Alam mo, Ika, nangangawit ako dito. Dapat ikaw nagbibideo, pero... Huwag na.
bro, you're like assistant.
Usog! Okay na. Akin na yan.
Assistant mom. Assassin mom. Like, she is like, no, not me here. If you know Celine, I would know.
Okay na yan. Oh. 1.
Bruh.
I don't see it. It's just on the screen. Okay, my turn to start. Okay. There. Pogak go.
This will take forever and ever.
Your turn. Really over. 2. 3. Done na.
Just kidding.
My turn to start.
So guys, and this is mine.
Nalaglag.
Mine. It's a karaoke speaker. Karaoke. 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 Have a freak. If you know this song, sing it. Have a freaking topic unless you bring a boy.
Ha?
Sa ngayon, hindi po ako magsalita sa ganyan, sir. Hindi pa rin po ako magpasasalamat kasi di ba tapos yung ano namin, investigation. Nakapunta lang ako doon kasi nag-alay ako sa anak ko. Kasi
Bro.
ano ganyan talaga sa
Wait,
akin.
what?
Yung mga lula namin masasabi na dahil napunta ka doon para ano mo siya. Babay.
Boom. I do not want to stop.
Alam mo, Pogi.
No! That's me. Bye-bye!